Welcome, rednecks. Welcome back to another fabulous fishing episode back here on Lake Mohave. We was here last week, got some pretty good footage, caught some pretty good fish. My buddy Keith, mega superstar on social media, link is below. I'll put his stuff down there. He's parking the truck, sitting here waiting to go launch. We're gonna go try to get him again today. Fish were on last week. I had a pretty good day last week, not anything great, but we're gonna try to get him again today. Got some different stuff tied on to target some of those suspended bass, swim baits, maybe a chatterbait, deep chatterbait bite, some different colored crankbaits, and a couple of different topwater baits. Man, it's about to get on. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Here comes my buddy. We about to be rolling right here on Redneck in Vegas. Woo! Let's get a good release. You're blinking. Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, put it down. Let's get a good release.
Okay. You get a picture?
Oh, no, it's fine.
Can you send it to me?
No, I didn't take a picture. You want me to take a picture?
Yeah, I got one. I did it.
Now you got me excited.
Huh?
Got me all excited. Hit it right at the boat. Well, that tells you we're fishing the wrong dang depth. Told you. That's a pretty smallmouth too.
Yeah, buddy. First smallie I've caught in a while.
Oh, Sonny Jim. Don't reel it all the way up to the end.
Nope. Ready?
Yeah, that's a little guy. Nice, man. Nice. Money shot. Money shot. Nice, buddy. Yeah. There you go. I told you there's one up there. Oh, man. There ain't a fish up there. Let's just go home right now.
Get it, guys.
Who cares, man? Keep catching them. I got video. Alright, dude. There we go.
I figured there'd been some big ones hiding in here, man.
Yeah. Got one?
Yeah.
That's a little one. Nice. Hey. Oh, finally gone. Oh!
What the hell is it? Smallmouth?
Giant, dude. What is
Oh,
that?
that's a bluegill. Or red ear or whatever.
Huh?
Yeah.
You freaking choked it, bro.
It's a red ear sunfish.
Look at that.
Oh,
Huh?
yeah.
You take my picture. I'm not kidding, bro.
For real?
Take my picture. Hurry up, he's bleeding out. I got my dang bait's got it. He even choked the bait down,
Yeah,
bro.
don't even bother.
Oh. Yeah, boy, Sonny Jim.
Get it in here.
Oh, Sonny Jim, boy.
Oh, little guy.
My whole worm is gone. Oh, it's right there. Let's go. My worm's right there.
Molly.
Hey, dude, get my worm. Get my worm. It's floating away, buddy. Ah.
You really want the worm?
Can you get it? It's still right there. Hey, 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 hey. There we go. We got it on film. I don't know. It's gone, bro. I think it's going down. Oh, get it. Dang it, boy. Oh, almost fell in, but I got it. Oh, oh yeah. Hey, caught a fish.
That was a nice smallie.
Was it a smallie or a largemouth?
Looks like a smallie to me.
What did I do with that worm?
You worked hard enough for it. You better know what you did with it.
I just threw it in the boat somewhere.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, dude, I got a giant. Oh man, he is. Oh, Keith, it's off. Oh, man, dude, giant. Did you see it?
No.
Oh man, giant, dude. Sorry, I'm just turning this around. You're good though, or back us up. Dang, God, man, he must have been up underneath these trees or something right here. I just let it go down, man, and it just went tight, man, and whoo, it just started going to the right. I was like, golly. Man, dude, it just flat took off that way, dude. I was like, that is a good fish. It was a good one, man. It was pulling hard, dude. Not no little one. Oh, son. Dang it, boy.
All right, keep throwing in there, dude. It'll come back. Keep throwing in there, dude. If there's one in there, there's probably more in there, dude.
Well, tell him I got the right color. And I didn't expect no big ones to be up shallow. We've been marking them all on the graph, you know, deep.
Water's 85 degrees.
I know. He's up in the shade, though. Oh, I got him, bro. Oh, I got him.
Keep that rod tip down, bro.
You came back and got it, bro. A largemouth,
A
dude.
largie? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a largie.
A big one, too,
Came
bro.
back for it, dude.
No. Oh! Oh! Sickles. Fun sickles, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh, got me a good one. Yeah.
Need a net?
Now it's this little guy. I think I'm recording too.
Nice, dude. There you go.
Got some bones, man.
Yeah, he's long, ain't he?
Yeah. And strong. I'm bound to get the friction on. Barely had him hooked, man. I mean, barely.